Y'all, what's up? It's me. Okay, so I am at work. Like I am on the clock. I'm like in between clients right now. And y'all keep wanting to see like my work setup. It's not nothing extravagant at all. But I will show it to y'all and this is how I look every day at work. And since they do hair up in here too, like my like face be super fucking oily. I'll leave out here, but I'm recording this now because when I go out there, it's music playing and stuff. I can't, have the background going. But I am gonna show y'all, so we can get into it. Okay, so I had to do a voiceover because it's music playing in the background of the shop. So I'm walking up to my desk, and the first thing that you see are my cards. So here we are, and we're gonna get into the first drawer here. Okay, so the first drawer you got like my buffers, my nail clippers, nippers, scissors, acrylic bowls, acetone bowl, like whatever. I just keep my acetone and my acrylic monomer in these. That's the first drawer, and I also got my drill bits and my nail glue in there too. So these are what my drill bits look like. So the second drawer, we are going to get into this. This is where I keep like my extra buffer. I keep acrylic in here. I keep cuticle oil in there. My wax pencil, sharpener, glue, everything that I just use on an everyday basis that I won't have trouble getting to. So my third drawer, I just keep my files in there. There's nothing really major in there at all. And the third drawer got like press on stuff in it, like tips. And this is like my recording equipment, like what I keep my phone on. It's my light, it's a ring light, etc. Just stuff like that. And this is my drill. It's a Medical Pro 520, whatever. This is what it looked like actually, stuff like that. That's that. You could, set it however fast you want to go. You can flip it, whatever. Okay, so the first drawer on this side starts my nail tips. I keep nail tips in there. I keep gloves in there, and I just like kind of just throw stuff in there since the drawer is like it's nothing in there but my nail tips. These I get from I don't even remember where I ordered them from. Okay, so let's get into the second drawer. This is my rhinestones drawer. So I keep all my crystals in here. Those are my AB crystals. Under here are like my rose gold and gold crystals, and I buy these little what you call them, like kits, like gold kits or whatever. I buy them as one, and then the third drawer where I keep my glue, all my drill bits and stuff like that. On this side it's nothing really major, like my car swipes and stuff like that. These are forms. Got them from a couple different places. I don't use them as much. And so in this last drawer is where I keep like my cotton and stuff in there, just nothing major. So we're gonna come to the top of my, what you wanna call this, I don't know, storage things or whatever. So here I do keep like my drill that I prep with. I keep my acetone, acrylic monomer, my different rhinestones. Like it's glue on top of these, so just bear with it, whatever, they old. I keep like my stones over here, my wax, not wax, what do you want to call it, sugar scrubs, all that type of stuff on there. My disinfected brushes, yes, all these type of brushes. This is where I keep like my acrylic brush, my paint brushes, my 3D brushes, all type of brushes, wax pencils, all that type of stuff. I just don't keep it on my desk because it take up so much space. But it's just nothing major, and it's just different brushes. Some of these brushes, I don't throw them away until I just end up throwing them away one day. Like it just, I don't know. I just do a lot of little different stuff. I don't even use half of the stuff anymore. I mean, I still use it, but not much. So this first drawer has like all my excess like acrylic in it. Just stuff that it's just where I just keep all my stuff at. All different acrylics. Acrylic I made, acrylic I bought, just acrylic on top of acrylic. This is actually a green glow that I made, and it looks like this. I could insert a picture that show it, but the picture's so far gone. So we're gonna go to this. This is my glitter acrylic drawer. It's not really much in there. It's just like just stuff that I just buy. I just be shopping, just spending fucking money on nothing. I'm not gonna necessarily say it's nothing because it's making me money, but yeah. So we're gonna get back into this drawer where this is all my raw glitter. This is like most of this drawer come from Michael's, the craft store, Michael's, Amazon, stuff like that. Just glitter, glitter, glitter. This drawer is also glitter in like containers. I didn't have space to keep all the other glitter in there, so it went in here. This is like where I keep my chains and my storage bins, just in case if I want to make stuff like in here, stuff like that. Just little mixes, not nothing too major, not nothing big, just like little stuff if I want to like make my own customs or something. In this drawer, it is colored acrylic. I don't have a lot of colored acrylic, but it do seem like I do, but I don't. So in here it's just different acrylic. Some of this acrylic is old, like this. I made this like my junior year in high school, I think, something like that. Just never threw it away. Them stuff. I use most of this stuff, but it'd be so hard for me to be creative, and I don't know why. Like I just know I'm just so used to sticking with the same stuff, the same colors, all that type of stuff. But most of this stuff come from like Ocean Nail Supply, Glam and Glitz. Y'all can see what I use. I don't even really use Valentino like that because I don't like it, but I do have some in here. And this one is also colored acrylic, but this more of so of the one that I use a lot. Like I use like this drawer most of the time. Like all these oranges, greens, summer colors, blues, red, all type of stuff. It's all type of stuff in this drawer. But nails are definitely an investment. All this shit that's in here costs money. Nothing in the nail world is cheap to me, if you ask me. Especially now I'm not spending my own money, because of course I hate spending my own money. But yeah, so this is my rhinestone drawer. And I used to keep all my stones in here, but I needed bigger boxes. And this is like where I keep my shape set and just stuff like rhinestone accessory, rhinestone decal. It don't necessarily have to be a rhinestone, but if it goes with a rhinestone, then it goes in this drawer. And these drawers not, this is actually messy to me. I do need to clean this shit up, but I mean, I don't keep it so organized because it gets dirty. And this is my end cap drawer, as you just seen, but like all my end cap glitter people like sent to me is like hearts and stuff that I ordered them from Amazon. I did. I got like just all type of stuff in there. Like this is from Amazon as well. Just stuff that I just be ordering, fruits and stuff. I don't even remember where I ordered them from. And these are like my end cap stuff, like how I made like my Louis Vuitton nails, my logo nails, all stuff like that, like flames and stuff. I actually ordered them from somebody that I'm sponsored by, or ambassador, however you want to put it, whatever. Stuff like that, chromes and all that type of stuff in there. Okay, so let's get into the foil drawer. This drawer is like where I keep like all foil, like nail foil stuff, like even the silver and gold, like end cap glitter that goes under acrylic, all that is in here. Like this drawer is just a damn junk drawer, really. Quickly shown is my gel drawer that I don't use. I don't do gel. And the rest of these are miscellaneous. Like they just stuff. Like I just throw stuff in there. I don't got nowhere to put it. I don't want too much stuff on my desk. I just take it and just throw it in there. Whatever. Until I find something that I need it for, I just have it in there. But it's nothing major. And so we're going to go to the wall where I keep my nail polish. Okay, so I have had so much nail polish over the years. If you follow me on Snap, you do see that I be giving it away and stuff like that. I don't do gel. I just really like polish and stuff like that. But this was just a highly requested video, so here you go.